Okay, good morning everyone. Today I want to show one video for to show to you about how to study Adobe Photoshop 2021 again. Yes, today I want to show how to create new project in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, go to see my practice at computer together. Okay, I go to start menu and then I select open Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, everyone, please wait on Adobe Photoshop. Start done. I click Adobe Photoshop. Okay, everyone, this background of Adobe Photoshop 2021. So welcome to Adobe Photoshop. Okay, I show you about how to create a new project in Adobe Photoshop 2021. The first I go to create new. Okay, I select the full or custom. Okay, I select custom and I write name. Okay, but I click create a new. Okay, for second I show you about to create. I select file and I click new. For shortcut key you can click Ctrl plus letter N. Okay, this is everyone. You can select file, mobile template or web template and file and video template. Okay, which one you can select for everyone. Okay, I select HDV size. Okay, and I put name. Practice, and then I open or I create. Okay, everyone, I finish for create a new project in Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, thank you for watching my video for how to create new project in Adobe Photoshop 2021. For next video I will make a video how to open picture into Adobe Photoshop 2021. Okay, thank you everyone for watching my video today, and thank you for subscribe my channel. If you want to see more video about me, show you about how to study Adobe Photoshop full version 2021. Okay, bye bye.